Hey, this is Atif, and you're watching my channel, Moon333, where I'm posting the trading ideas on different assets and also educational stuff. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. First of all, I am really very sorry I couldn't post any ideas for more than a week. I was quite busy. This time, I'm bringing you the XRP idea and its move. It is taking a very good move. Now, let's move to the XRP US dollar, and it will be day chart. And this is the chart. Right, in my previous idea, I have already depicted or posted that the XRP was forming a bullish crab pattern, like this was a pattern. This was the initial leg, and A to B leg was retraced between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci, and B to C leg was retraced. Uh, Even it is retraced more than 0.886 Fibonacci. I'm just ignoring this spike, and the final leg is retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. So at this time the price action is here. And almost this is our potential reversal zone. I've already published a complete idea with perfect dimensions. You can find from my portal. I've already published a video on this idea. Now, if we see in this area here, then we can see the price action is just moving in a channel within the potential reversal zone of this bullish crab pattern, and this is the resistance of the channel, and this is the support of the channel. And you can see at this time the price action is hitting the support of the channel, and it can be a double bottom like this. This is the first bottom, and this can be a double bottom. And we have already two touches at the support, at the resistance of the channel. This is the double top, and this would be the double bottom. And with this move, we have a pattern within the pattern, and this time we have a bullish this can be a bullish Gartley pattern, and I think the price action will make a spike like this, like it has just made a spike here. So this can be also a spike, or otherwise it can be a bullish bad pattern up to 0.886 Fibonacci, almost up to here, and from here it should be not more than 0.50 Fibonacci, almost up to here. So let's assume it is the bad pattern. So if it will be a spike, then we can consider it as a Gartley pattern, but at this time the bad pattern is also completed. So this can be the potential reversal zone of this bad pattern. Now we can have two pushes, the bullish divergences. Like first bullish divergence can be started from here within the potential reversal zone of this bullish bad pattern. And the second bullish divergence and the larger and bigger bullish divergence will be the potential reversal zone of the bigger bullish crab pattern, which will take the price action more up to the 0.382 Fibonacci of this A to D leg. So this move can be up to more than 40 or 50% move, and the price action can hit up to 29 or 30 cents, like from here up to almost up to here, or might be here. But realistically, we can place our sell targets between this area, 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. So this can be our sell zone. Now, if we see on day chart, we see the different indicators and the oscillators, like for example, Bollinger Bands, and we can see that the price action is hitting at the lower band of the Bollinger Band for the second time. First hit was at 25th of November, and now second time it is hitting on 16th of December. And the Bollinger Band at this time is almost sideways. At that time, on 25th of November, it was a steep down, but now it is sideways. So it can have more support of the Bollinger Bands this time. And if we see the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, then we can see RSI is already entered in the oversold zone for the second time. First time it was entered on 25th of November, and the second time, this time it is entered on 16th of December, 15th or 16th of December. And if we see the MACD indicator, the moving average convergence divergence, and we can see the MACD was strong bullish, and now it is weak bullish, and the moving averages of the MACD are still in the bull cross, but it is quite weak, so it can give the bear cross. And if we see the stochastic, then we can see the stochastic is already in the bear cross, and soon it will be entered in the oversold zone, and from there it can give us the bull cross again. When it will give us the bull cross and the MACD will be turned strong bullish, then the price action can a very strong bullish move, because we have the support of two patterns, the harmonic pattern within another harmonic pattern, and the support of the channel as well. And the indicator is also going good, because RSI is already in the oversold zone and showing that it has not more cushion to push it more down. And if we see the MACD, it was already turned strong bullish. Now it is weak bullish now, but I am expecting it will be turned strong bullish very soon. So this can be our sell zone. I've already published both ideas separately and also both ideas together on my TradingView account. You can also sell here, like at this area, if you're following the smaller harmonic pattern. And if you're following the bigger harmonic pattern, then you can place your sell targets here. I've already mentioned the link of the TradingView in my video's description. You can find there, and from there you can find my all charts of XRP or any cryptocurrency you want to follow. You just need to click on that link. Once you will be on the TradingView like this, just need to click on the people option and write moon 333. You will find my link, and you can follow any of my chart from here. I've published all my charts here. Now, thanks for now. I'll be back soon with other videos. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it and do hit the like button. Take care. Goodbye.